I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rats. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me.
Hello guys, hope you guys had a nice trading week. It's a beautiful day to be a trader. It's a beautiful year to be a trader. It's a beautiful lifetime to be a trader. We had some very nice trades today. Not a lot of trades. This week has been quite dry. If you are not gambling, I didn't take any trade this week. Scalping, swing. It was a very boring week for me. However, we did have trades that played out. We had EURUSD, we had USDJPY that played out smoothly. I was supposed to take that USDJPY trade, but I was sleeping when the trade happened. I should have set an order. It's really painful because I didn't have any trade this week. So, you know, it's kind of really not pissing me off, but it's like a little bit annoying. All right, someone says GBP card, what happened to my camera? One minute, guys. My camera just went out. I'm not sure why. Let me see why. Let's see. Okay. Wait. Still disconnected. All right, so the camera is back. Yes. And we have AUDJPY on our list. All right, so today we will be looking at EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, AUDJPY, GBP card, XAUUSD. Can you guys still hear me? Can you still see me? The camera went off. I don't know if you guys still have it. Hello, DZ Soft. Hello, Sammy. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Today is the last week of trading, foreign exchange. All our analysis played out. We'll look at and review some of the trades that would have made profit on. We'll look at where we are in the market right now and we'll look at the opportunities we have in the markets. Can you guys still hear me? Elim, hello Elim, hello Tandy. He said my technical analysis on EURUSD and USDJPY was on point. My analysis has always been on point. How are you, Solomon? How are you, Sammy? You said everything works good. All right, so we have for today EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, AUDJPY, GBP card, XAUUSD. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Let me know. Type yes in the comment section if you can still hear me. All right, remember, if you want to connect to my account, copy my trades, sign up with Mioga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account to $500 to be able to copy my trades. If you want to test my software for free that does all the analysis for me for 2 weeks, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $100 to $150 in your account to be able to test my software for free. Send me proof of both on WhatsApp or Telegram, and then you get the software or be added to the copy trade. And yeah, come for our live streams Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, same time as usual, for free signals, free analysis. However, if you want to buy the course, you want to learn how to scalp yourself, you want to learn how to swing trade yourself, you want to get the software, also you want to learn how to hedge. Hedging is the most important part of trading, because whenever you run into trouble, it ensures that you do not lose anything. Okay, you want to learn how to hedge, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get one of the courses. And if you want the software on TradingView itself, which is the most accurate place to have it, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Boom, boom, boom. You said CAD JPY. All right, we had CAD JPY. Oof, we have a lot on our list today. So I'm just going to run through it very, very quickly. And yeah, 1 minute. Hope you guys have been enjoying the scalping video. You see, I've gotten someone that will be, more into editing. I'll start uploading more shorts. I'll start uploading better video quality, so that you guys can enjoy and have an entertaining video. I'm thinking about starting vlogs again, maybe later on in like 2 months or 3 months, we'll see. Let me know if you're interested in vlogs. And yeah, so far so good. The video that we had yesterday it's been more than 300 views in the first 24 hours. Almost 24 hours is more than 300 views. We'll get soon very, very close to having 1,000 views in the first 24 hours. Guys, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and make sure you do the most important thing for the algorithm: comment. Even on this live stream, I'm not asking for any payments. I'm just asking for engagement, so you comment. Because when you comment, more people come on the live stream, more people ask questions. When they ask questions, you get to hear questions that you wouldn't have thought of probably, and you get to hear answers that you wouldn't have heard of if someone was not there to ask those questions. And then you get to learn, so everyone benefits. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's take a break, and then when we come back, we'll go straight into the analysis and signals. One minute. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, so we're back. 1 minute. Let's get some music in there. Boom, boom, boom. Not this music. Now, someone asked me what is hedging. I'll show you an example. This is an example of when a student, okay, had some issues. Okay, they were down almost 500 pounds. And when they were able to hedge it out, they hedged out the 500 pounds loss and ended up with 1,246 pounds profit. That is what hedging is. If you hedge so good, you would even be able to make profits covering your loss. And I've shown many examples of that. In a video that I'm uploading next week, I'll show you an example of when I got into the market and had some issues. I was going to hedge, but I was able to understand how the market was going to move thanks to my software. Made it clear and simple, and I was able to get out of that trade with some profits. All right, you said I'm short on gold. Where do you see a good point to take last TP? Thank you. All right. First of all, are you using my link? Did you sign up with my broker? Are you making profits with my broker link? Right? Because you're getting free signals from me. You're not paying for signals. All I say is when you're making profits, when you're collecting my signals, sign up and make sure that you're making profits with my link. Plain and simple. I have no problem giving you signals. I have no problem doing analysis for you. You know, just make simple comments on YouTube and make sure that you're using my link to make those profits. We'll look at gold, but first of all, we have to start with Euro USD. We have to go one by one. I'm sure you're aware of that. All right, so we have gold in over 100 pips. Sorry, not gold. Euro USD in over 100 pips in profits. Let me even put that in my Telegram group. We have Euro USD in over 100 pips in profit for free. So if you're in this Euro USD trade, I would say take full profits now. Make sure to take full profits now to end the week. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so what do we see happening with Euro USD? I am still bearish. However, today is Friday. Today is the end of the week. I would say we should wait till Monday till we get an analysis. I think Mondays should be London session. Then the rest of the week can be New York session. You know, who agrees with me? Type in the comment section if you agree with me, because then we can start the week fresh, early, without so many market moves, and we can, you know, get a view of what is going to happen next. I see Euro USD coming back to around 1.1275. You set your exit at the high of today. Today is the 21st of July 2023, and I can see it's going all the way. These are the analysis I can see for next week, going all the way down to 1.05, if not more. I have to wait till next week to see if we can even go lower. This is already a 4.4 to 1 ratio trade. You're risking less than 20 pips. However, we have to come back next week during London session and figure out if we can find a good and nice entry and see how the market is set up once it's open. We'll be right back on that. Now let's move on to GBP USD. GBP USD played out exactly like I said. We had to push up. We did not go as far as I expected it. We expected us to go. However, we did push down, and we are consolidating just like I said we would. Same thing. I expect a continuous bearish movement on GBP USD. Is there an entry so far? Yes, you could enter at around 1.2875, right? Set your exit at the high of today, 21st of July 2023. You're risking about 30 pips, I would say. And the reason why I don't like trading GBP pairs is because they spike too much. They spike a lot, so you have to be careful of that. I could expect it to go all the way down to 1.275, right? That also gives us a 4 to 1 ratio trade, but you're risking more with this GBP pair. So we'll have to come back on that next week also. Bias is still bearish as usual, as I said before. Played out as usual, as I said before. Okay, just replying something. All right, so where are we next? USDJPY. Let's check some comments. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. You said, do I offer copy trading for people who live in the US? Yes, I already explained. I explained that it's for everyone. I didn't say, oh, you can copy trades except for people in the US. No, you are the one who, for some strange reason, thought you were excluded. If you want to copy trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Minimum you need in your account is $350. Send proof of that once you have that. Once you funded your account and you've signed up, send proof of that on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can find my link for WhatsApp on Telegram literally almost everywhere. And then, yeah, you can be added for free. It's a true Monday's London session sets a tone for the whole week. Not, not really. It doesn't set anything. It doesn't set anything for the whole week. Monday might be bullish, the rest of the week might be bearish. It just, this is why you guys need proper education. It's going to take me a whole long explanation to explain why it does not. Monday doesn't control anything. Doesn't mean anything. You know, it's just so we have a good, the week has, let me summarize that. The week has ended, right? Plain and simple. When Monday starts, what if there's a gap in the market, right? You don't know, I don't know, so best to wait. It's just that simple. And you have a good entry because if there's a gap in the market, you are not stuck somewhere losing. Okay? If you sell and it gaps long, you've lost unnecessarily when you could just wait till Monday. So some of you guys, you overcomplicate this thing, you know, and it's not your fault. It's mentors that are just out there confusing you. They cannot trade, so they come out, they confuse you. They say, oh, this and they did that and they did, but they can never, ever show you what they are saying with a live trade. When I'm trading, if it is complicated, then it's useless. My trading systems are simple, straight to the point. When I'm giving you analysis, I'm not taking you through a complicated journey. I'm just literally telling you as it is. I'm not bending. I'm not using some moving average. I'm not guessing. I'm not doing some Bollinger Bands. I'm not guessing support and resistance, rubbish, nonsense, stupidity. I'm giving it to you straight and direct how the market is. Not trying to complicate it for you, not trying to twist some words, not trying to make it sound magical, not trying to make it sound, spiritual, not trying to, make it sound like I'm over smart. Or any basic person should be able to trade. It's just simple instructions. Do you think that the market is sitting down behind the screen, cracking their heads on how to make you lose? So why are you cracking your heads? Why are you overcomplicating things unnecessarily? You said, no, I'm not signing with your broker. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to learn from everyone that can help me grow. So you are grifting, basically. You are profiting from me, but you are not doing anything. You are grifting. You are going from here to here to there to there. Anyways. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you for the comments, Sammy, GU. Yes, you are grifting, and the reason why I'm not even going to complain is because you are going to lose. By the time you take from this one, you take from that one, you are confusing yourself and you're building bad habits. Most people, teaching them how to trade is the easy part. The bad habits that they've learned over the years, using so many systems, jumping from year to year to year to there, is where they have issues, because it is hard to remove bad trading habits once you know how to trade. You will know in your heart that you know how to trade, but you won't know how to stop yourself from doing those bad habits. You won't know how to stop yourself from gambling. So you are not doing something bad to me. You are doing something bad to yourself. And I don't care. I don't care. So Nathan says hi, Euro CHF. When you guys, what are you finding in Euro CHF? Switzerland is already in Europe. What are you looking for in Euro CHF? But this is how people trade their accounts. We'll add Euro CHF after GBP USD, because once all these kind of pairs like AUD card, Euro CHF, all these weird pairs get into problem, right? You are screwed. How are you going to get out of that issue? Yeah. This is what happens when you don't have education. UJ, thank you for the comments, but we're not going to UJ next. We are going to Euro CHF next. And yeah, that's the last pair. Anybody coming after this, we're already 30 minutes in. You're late. I'm just doing that. Thank you for the comments, Sandy. We're not in UJ. Why is everyone type? Are we in UJ? Oh, we are in UJ. All right. After UJ, oh no, you know what? Let's go to Euro CHF first. Then we'll go to UJ. I want to finish most of this normal pairs first. Then we'll go to the JPYs. Yes, I believe what you are saying. Yeah, that's why I watch your videos. Thanks for your advice. Take it or leave it. You know, some people say thank you for the advice, but they'll still go back and do what they are doing, and they'll be like, "Why am I losing?" Anyways, let's do Euro CHF first. I don't even think I have it on my list. I'll be very, you see, I don't have it on my list. You guys just suffering unnecessarily. Most of you guys are just making yourself lose for no reason. For no reason. But anyways, Euro CHF. Boom. Bro. What are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? What is going on with Euro CHF? What is going on with Euro CHF? Are you buying? Are you selling? What is going on? Long term, Euro CHF looks bearish, right? However, it is in a small bit of consolidation, okay, which I kind of hate. Consolidation, right? Here, boom, boom. All right. So, what if you've been on this stream regularly? You know what happens during consolidation. Annoying things like push down, push up, push down, then push up, and then push down. So this is what we are seeing right now in Euro CHF, and at this point we are on the down part. So what do we expect? A bullish move. Either it breaks below here, and then we expect a bearish move to continue, right? Or we have another bounce back and then it pushes up. So what are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? If you're buying, look towards this part. Make sure once it gets around 0.965, 0.968, you start taking some profits. If you are selling, it looks like it has reached the final chapter, the end of the line. So you might want to start taking profits. What exactly are you doing with your Euro CHF trades? Let us know so we know how to help you. With that being said, let's move on to USDJPY for now. Put a comment in the comment section if you want continuous analysis on that, and we'll see how we help you. But for now, we have to move on to USDJPY. USDJPY analysis played out very well, just as we expected, just as we thought. This was the trade I was supposed to be in, but I missed it. It's so painful because I'm thinking about all the profits that I would have made. I didn't have any trade this week. Guys. Do you know how annoying that is? You know, but no trade is better than, you know, getting into complicated issues. You know, but I'm sure some of you guys want to see me hedge, you know, see a hedging video on the videos that I uploaded, but you know, I've been having a good winning streak, and I just don't want to spoil. It's not that I don't want. It's not that I'm planning not to spoil it, but because of my experience, I've just been hitting it spot on. You know, it's not like I'm controlling the market. It's just that I've been going more safe. When I started my scalping account, I didn't care because it was a small account. Okay, I'm literally risking just $250. If anything happens, it's just $250. I have more confidence scalping on a small account, but as you can see, now that the account, I've made almost 40,000 profits, the account is over 30K. I'm not taking as much risk as I used to before. I want to start withdrawing big profits, taking less and less risk. That is how it's supposed to be. I've done this many times, you know, and all this is just from experience. So what happened? We escaped out of this consolidation evil zone. Okay, I call it an evil zone. It's not an evil zone, but like, yeah, we're out of this consolidation zone. Push up, push down, push up, blah, blah, blah. We finally escaped. It used this place as a climbing spot, and this is the area that I said you guys should look for buys. Okay, I told you guys, I explained over and over that the only issue, and someone, I said it was 50-50, and someone said, oh, they don't take 50-50 trades. I said your 50-50 is not my 50-50. My 50-50 means that there's an issue that might happen, okay? Because of this consolidation zone, it's just like gravity. If it was able to pull it back into this consolidation zone, then that was the only issue we had on this trade. And I said in my last stream that if we are able to get this entry and go out of it, if it's able to pass the spot, then my trade is now almost at 100%. I said this in the last stream, and what do we see? Played out perfectly. Okay, that is what I mean by when my trade is 50-50. My 50-50 is not your 50-50. My 50-50 is more accurate than your 90%. Okay, and it played out exactly. Let's see how many pips. This was the trade I was targeting. You know, it still hurts that I didn't take this trade. So that's about hits the take profit perfectly. Just like I said, over 200 pips. Over 200 pips I missed out on. You know, so painful. But it is what it is. You know. Anyways, I'm still expecting USDJPY to be bullish. I see an opportunity for a buy. However, like I've been saying, let's wait till London session to get a clearer picture on what will happen. Okay, you can set the exit at 141.25, right? And I would say the target would be somewhere around here. Minimum target 143. This would be about, let's see, 5-to-1 ratio trade, 150 pips profits targets. We're risking about 30 pips, but then again, I'm putting it out all there in case we don't have the London session. If we don't have gaps, these are the nice trades that you can take. Let's move on to GBPJPY. Let me see some comments. Thank you for the comments, Tandy. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. As usual, the best people on this stream all the time, always making comments. You said you are long. Well, if you are long, just know it's a consolidation. You are taking a gamble. Set your exits at the low of yesterday. On Monday, move your exits to the low of today, which is 21st of July. But if it breaks that low, bro, get out of that trade. Run. Hello, Moob. Yes, we have XAUUSD, but right now we're on, where are we, guys? We are on, we're on GBPJPY, then we have AUDJPY, then we have CAD JPY, and then we have GBP CAD, and then we finally have XAUUSD. So step by step, let's move on into GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we've been in this consolidation for days. At this point, I would say weeks, right? So many people are saying, oh, you've not taken a trade. What trade is there to take? The market has been consolidating since. Some people, when they talk to me, I know why they can't trade. If they don't see an opportunity in the market, just because they want to trade, oh, I must trade, they rather blow and destroy all the money they have. They'd rather blow and destroy, just take the worst trade possible just because they want to trade. If that is how you trade, good for you. There was no, and you were comfortable with it. Good for you. There was no reason for you to contact me. Continue blowing your accounts. I feel like some people have a fetish of blowing their accounts, so continue that fetish, but do not try to push me into that realm. I did not get to this stage by forcing myself to take trades, even though there was no opportunity, just because I have trigger finger. So what have we been seeing with GBPJPY? Push up, push down, push up, push down. At this point, it's still trying to escape this zone. However, like I said, consolidation zones are like gravity. They tend to pull the price back inside. And if we see this price coming back in here, we might see it GBPJPY drop back all the way to 180. What we need to see on Monday is a break of 182.5. Okay, and that is when we'll begin to have analysis where we can see a trade on GBPJPY. We've had some good sells on GBPJPY. However, we do still need to escape this zone. If you want to take a gamble, you can sell set your target at 180, or let's just say 180.25, right? And set your exit at the high of today of 21st of July 2023. That's a gamble. It's all up to you. Let's move on to the next on our list. As for me, I'll wait till Monday. I want to see if he's going to break that high or he's going to drop back into the consolidation zone. Let's danger zone. I call the consolidation zone the danger zone. All right. So you can still make profits from the danger zone, but that's just the name I'm gonna give it. AUDJPY, baby. AUDJPY, baby. Let's look at AUDJPY. Who called that AUDJPY? Who called that GBP Catch JPY? All right. We are on your peers. We're on their ass. Okay. And yeah, AUDJPY has been bullish for a while. Very nice, very smooth. It's been bullish for a while. Let's see. It's still bullish in my opinion. I don't see any trade on AUDJPY. I expect it to continue to go bullish. If it, however, drops all the way down to, what are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? Put that in the comment section so we know how to help you. All right. Are you looking for analysis? Are you looking for a trade? It's possible to take buy around around 95, right? All the way up to 96. Wow. You say you exit at the low of today, 27th of July 2023, right? Risking about less than 35 pips. 3-to-1 ratio, not my type, not my taste, you know. So I'll just say the market is bullish. Do with it as you please. Okay. However, if it does break the low of today, 27th of July 2023, right? Then exit that trade and start selling. All right, exit that trade and start selling. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Thank you for the comments, Candy. Let's move on to where are we? Catch JPY. Catch JPY. How many of you have been watching the scalping videos? Have you seen the upgrades? Have you seen the updates I've made? The new animations, the layouts, everything. All right, CAD JPY, since we did an analysis on CAD JPY before it was in a consolidation, it escaped the consolidation, broke this point that I was talking about, and then went bullish. We didn't do analysis on it for a while. If not, I'm sure we would have looked for a buy. However, we are still bullish. No entry so far. We're having a pullback. On Monday, it's possible to find an entry at 106.5. You set your exit at the low of today, 27th of July 2023. You set your target at, most of them have the same analysis anyways, except GBPJPY, which looks like it's still in its consolidation. It's the only one that hasn't escaped its consolidation yet. Okay, GBPJPY, why? What are you doing? Why haven't you escaped your consolidation? All the other JPYs have escaped their consolidation. Why are you being so, anyways? We end an entry at 106.5, exit at the low of today, which is around 106, target at 108. So we're going for 150 pips, risking about 44 pips, 3.5 risk reward ratio. It's not the best JPY trade so far out of all of them. But yeah, it is an opportunity. Let's just leave it there. Boom, boom, boom. This one is safe to set your order. Even if it gaps up or down, you'll still be safe. So yeah, good on CAD JPY. Now I think we're done with all the JPY pairs. Let's go straight into GBP CAD, which I think we should have done earlier. Let me see. GBP CAD, GBP CAD. Woof! GBP CAD is looking consolidation, trigger, happy. Okay, it's looking like it wants some consolidation. Okay, it's looking like the beginning of a consolidation. Okay. So let's see. How many of you guys want the vlog? Let me know. How many of you guys want the vlog? The same type of vlogs I used to make in Dubai, showing lifestyle, talking about things like that. I'll show the same. I notice a lot of people don't do those kind of Dubai vlogs in Europe, Maybe I should start. I think the only person that used to do vlogs like that in Europe was Andrew Tate. So maybe I should start. What do you guys think? Making vlogs, with nice cars around Europe, different countries, showing you guys around. We'll see. So we have to escape this zone. We have to escape this zone here. Either the high here or the low here before we have an analysis. What are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? If you're buying, a drop might be expected very soon. If you're selling, get out of that trade right now. Get out, unless you want to take a gamble and sell. But I would say you should wait till next week and set your exit if you're trying to sell at the high of today, which is 21st of July 2023. So what are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? Give us some more information so we know how to contribute to your profits. Thank you for the comments, Tandy. CJ, thank you for the comments, Tandy. GC. I don't wanna. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Hi, hello, Tandy. Let's see. Yes, I don't wanna. Yes, sir. All right. Last but not least, XAUUSD. XAUUSD. What's wrong with the charts? We have so many things on the charts. XAUUSD. Come on, what's going on? Let's go. Let's go, XAU. What's going on? Trading view. Trading view. What is going on? What's going on? Why is the chart not rolling? Why are they adding? Why are they hiding the profit from us? What did we do? Why are you hiding profits from us? What did we do? Did we make too much profit from the vast majority? Blah blah. What's going on? What is going on? Come on. What's going on? Drag. Why is it not dragging? Jeez. Come on. Come on, trading view. Like, what's going on? What is this? Bruh. What is going on? What is this? Move! It just doesn't want to go to where we are. I don't know why. Come on, let's go. All right. Come on, man. All right. Gold played out as I expected, unfortunately. we had this consolidation. We broke out of the consolidation, broke below 1970, and it looks like we're back into this consolidation zone. I know I should close out of my trade as I promised, but I'm going to wait till next week. I'm going to move my stops to 1960. All right, so if it hits my 1960, then I'm closing out of that trade. You know what it is. I've held out for long. I'm just going to take some profits, and it is what it is. So we'll wait till Monday and see what happens. For now, we are looking bearish. We look like we're back into our consolidation zone. You know what to expect. I said if it goes all the way down here, we could expect it to go down to 1930. So someone who asked me a question of they are selling gold, what should be their targets, it means you've been paying attention to the stream and you took advantage of it and you're making some profits. I would say continue selling. Long-term target is 1930. So we still have about 300 more pips we could profit from the market. Even right now, it's possible to take a sell, right? Because we're back in this consolidation zone. You set your exit at 1970. All right. You set your target at 1930. Okay. You set your target at 1930. So we have a profit potential of 320 pips, risking about 80 pips, almost 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But then again, if it escapes 1965, 1970, I would say get out of that trade. Is going to start going bullish. It has rejected this consolidation. I've always said consolidation is like magnets, it's like gravity, is always trying to pull price back into it. And yeah, let's see how it plays out. Sushant Patel says reload. I don't know. Oh, you say reload. Yeah, it's working now. I wanted to reload, but it's working now. All right, so that's it for today. Almost 1 hour in the stream. If you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. If you want to copy my trades, sign up to Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp or Telegram. And if you want to test my software for 2 weeks for free, sign up to Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $100 to $150 in your account. Send me proof of that. And if you want to buy the course to learn how to scalp, swing, and hedge out of your bad trades, all with live trades, that means I'll be with you live. We'll be taking live trades and I'll be teaching you with live trades on my account. So I'm not just going to talk, I'm going to practice what I preach. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and the course comes free with the software for MT4 and MT5. If you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. If not, we'll be ending this stream in 30 minutes. In 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. All right, guys, hope you have a nice trading week ahead. And yeah, we'll be right back on Monday during London session. Make sure you keep on making comments. Enjoy our scalping video tomorrow. I'm going to upload the scalping video tomorrow, same time as usual. Hope you guys watch it. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you share. And yeah, we'll still keep on pushing till we have our first 1,000 views in the first 24 hours. I keep on asking about the vlogs. Nobody has said anything about the vlogs. Maybe when I start uploading vlogs, the vlogs will have 1,000 views in a day. We'll see what happens. All right, so I'm off. Hope you guys have a nice weekend ahead, and we'll be meeting next week, Monday, during London session for more opportunities to make more profits. Cheers.
Worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paid the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads,
up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping